Hi there, this video is live, very extreme, chaotic, freezing, New Year's, weather forecast, UK, 2021. If you like this video, this music, please leave a thumbs up. Time at the moment in digital is 13:56pm in the afternoon. In Arrow, that's 1:56pm in the afternoon in the UK, and it's the 29th of December, 2021, guys. Let's get this weather forecast right now. This is the Met Check. Met Office weather forecast. This is the future. This is the 3rd of January 2022 next year. Talking about very strong southwesterly winds coming from the south, quite hot warm air coming from the Caribbean, from the Azores, from the south there. You've got to watch out for this low pressure in the future, guys. So look at the 12Z prediction right this minute, guys. This is the 12Z prediction for the future, guys. Going from now, right. Here we go, 28th of December. Talking about very mild, strong southwesterly winds, quite warm, quite mild. Very above average, 15 16 Celsius, quite unusual for the 1st of January. And it starts to get colder and southwesterly to the northwesterly, quite a cold northerly wind, northwesterly, by the time it gets to the 5th of January. Then it goes to southwesterly, or westerly, or northwesterly, with a south projection with quite warm air, and then it gets colder again. We get a storm coming in for Scotland called Storm Coral on the 9th of January, 8th and 9th of January, and another one on the 11th of January. Look out for another storm. Storms are coming across the UK, guys, westerly to northwesterly winds, quite cold and extreme and unpredictable weather for the future. It's going to be one of the other. It's quite solar westerlies at the moment, but it could turn very cold as we go into the future across the UK for January. This is the upper air troposphere at 10 HPA. This is the upper air temperature up there. We're talking about this temperature here. Right, let's go from now. So you're slightly warming going on across the North Pole at 10 HPA stratosphere. There is a disconnect from the stratosphere and the troposphere at the moment. And yeah, it goes down to temperature at the North Pole goes down to minus 60, well, down to minus 64 to minus 54, which is definitely below average. So it looks like it's getting interestingly changeable. This is the Arctic Oscillation weather forecast, and when it's negative like this, you've got northern blocking over Greenland and over Scandinavia. We have got them over Greenland recently, and it is actually getting more positive. That means you've got high pressure over the UK and low pressure over Greenland, which means you get more westerlies winds from the west. So it looks like it's going to get anticyclonic as we go into the new year across the UK with that thing like that. And this is North Atlantic Oscillation, and that's going positive as well into the future. That means high pressure over the UK and low pressure over you name it, guys, over Greenland. So he's looking and over Scandinavia. Looks very decisively changeable and fluctuatingly cold at times and chilly. This is the 6Z weather forecast prediction for snow. It's like snow on the 9th of January across the Midlands, across northwestern England, and across Scotland. The weather is very highly pickled and very highly flammable, more than human naked eye can see. This is the weather forecast for Waking Town, talking about southwesterly wind today, high of 14 Celsius. Tomorrow it could be 15 Celsius, maybe 16 Celsius, 17 across Norwich tomorrow across the UK. Quite mild for the new year, but it does turn very cold as we go into the future. Look at it, guys, steady getting more disturbed, and one. So look at that, northwesterly wind, high of 6 Celsius across Waking Town. Really dropped dramatically, very cold, chilly weather, low average temperatures, bone chilly. And then it gets warmer again, above average, and it gets down below again. It is looking very decisively changeable. I think it looks like cold weather's on the way. This is the flood alerts across the UK right now. You've got a lot of flood alerts. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's quite a lot across the south of the UK, across the Midlands. This is the forecast for the upper air temperature for the future across the UK. It's very changeable weather for the future, guys. You see all the cold air, other air temperatures all the cold air being pushed out of northern Europe, unfortunately, I'm afraid. It's all that cold air across Greenland. It's definitely getting warmer across the UK, across Europe as well. There's no sign of a very cold beast in the east at the moment, I'm afraid, but it could happen. This is the upper air temperature of Waking Town for the extended future, for the extended future. And talk about the red line being the 30-year average line. White line temperature is going, it is above it at the moment, especially for the next, next few days or so, on the 1st of January. Then it goes below it by the 5th of January. Quite dramatic drop from there to there, and it stays above it slightly. It goes below it average-wise, below average around about 17th of January, and then it stays below it until we get above it around about the 26th of January. And it goes below it by the time we get into February 2022 across the UK, across Waking Town especially. So if you like this video, as weather forecast, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to on Signage with a force video. That's what the needs to the many, outweighing the needs to the few. This is a definitely special weather forecast for the year for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.